Hi all, I'm Pradeep here. I'm an ICT manager with 8 years of experience. I have worked on various technologies like Java, PHP, SQL, Spark, Big Data, Spring and so on. I've been doing online tutoring on various software skills. Please subscribe my channel and please follow my Facebook page if you'd like to take up any online training. Let's move on to the technical part. Today we are going to see 7 SQL questions where each and every SQL developer should know. Let's dive into the session. So these are the 7 SQL questions which we are going to see today. And this is the employee table which has employee number, employee name, designation, salary, employee count, and department number. Let's move on to question number 1. Among the tech lead, who gets the highest salary? Let's write a query for that. Select employee number, comma, employee name, from table employee, where designation is equal to tech lead and salary is equal to, this is a subquery here which I will explain later. Select max of salary from table employee, where designation is equal to tech lead, and we need to close this. Okay, so this is the inner query, and this inner query which will give you the value of 20,000, which is the highest salary of the designation tech lead, which means this value from the table, and the outer query here which will give you the names of those employees fall under the designation tech lead. I hope you understand. Let's run the query and see. Go. So what is your requirement? Among the tech lead, who gets the highest salary? So Mr. Brain is the one who gets the highest salary with designation tech lead. And we can write this query in some other way. Let's see that query as well. So here we're going to write an alternative query for the same question number 1. Select employee number, comma, employee name, from table employee, where designation, comma, salary in, this is the in clause, where we have to write a subquery here. Select designation, comma, max of salary from employee table, where designation is equal to tech lead, and we are going to use a group by function here. Group by designation. And we need to close this here. Okay. In previous query, we have had a condition on designation and salary, so we've used AND operator in there. Here we are going to combine both conditions in one query by using an in class. We've used aggregate function here, and group by here will display the single row of every grouped item one by one, and it is used in conjunction with aggregate functions to produce summary reports when we use that normally in the databases. In operator here will allow you to specify multiple values in the where class. That's why we combine both conditions of salary and designation using the in class here. We can also use not in instead of in, and that I will run and show you. If you run the inner query here, it will give you the designation with second highest salary. Let me run this. Just remove it. Okay. So I've removed this. Let's run this now. And go. Here you see, as I told you, we got the designation with its second highest salary. Let's run the whole query now. And go. So the outer query here will pick you the details of those employee who has got the second highest salary. This way we can even run multiple subqueries. And you see we got the same output as of question number 1. Okay, as I told you already, instead of in, if we use not in, let's see what's the output we are going to get. Go. Okay. So this output here, it will basically display the employee details and their salaries from the table by negating the employee who has got the second highest salary from the table. That is it. Let's move on to question number 2. That is, get the details of the engineer whose salary is 4,000. And the query for that, select employee number, employee name from employee where designation is equal to engineer, designation is equal to engineer and the salary is equal to 4,000. It's a pretty much straightforward query wherein we are going to get the details of the particular employee whose designation is engineer and his salary is equal to 4,000. Let's run this query. Okay, we got the output here. So what's our requirement? Get the details of the engineer whose salary is 4,000. So Mr. Brewer is the one who has got the salary 4,000. Let's move on to question number 3. Which designation has exactly 2 employees? Let's write a query for that. Select designation from account of star, from table employee, group by designation, having count of star is equal to 2. Okay, if you exclude the having count function here, it will pick you the designation and its count from the table, wherein it will display those count for all the employees. And if you include the having count here, it will just pick you the designation which has the employee count 2. Let's run this query now. Okay, what is our requirement? Which designation has exactly 2 employees? So we got the output here. Let's move on to question number 4. What is question number 4? Which designation has most number of employees? Let's write a query for that. Select designation, comma, count of star from table employee, group by designation, descending limit 1. Okay, sorry, table should come. Okay, this query is a bit similar to the previous query, where here we are going to get the designation and its count from the table by applying group by, and we've used descending function here to make sure the designation with employee comes with a descending order. That is, the designation with most number of employees from the table will be displayed, and if you apply limit function, we are going to limit the value to 1, so that the designation with most number of employees will be displayed. Let's run the query and see. Go. Okay, we've got the output here. Let's move on to question number 5. Okay, what is question number 5? What is the second highest salary from the employee table? Let's write a query for that. Select max of salary from employee table, where salary lesser than and lesser query. Select max of salary from employee table. Sorry, I need to put this. So the inner query here, it will give you the first maximum salary of the employees from the employee table, and the outer query will fetch the remaining employee salary, and the lesser by symbol here, which will filter the second highest salary. Let's run the query and see. Okay, what is the requirement? What is the second highest salary from the employee table? So 40,000, 20,000. So 20,000 is the second highest salary. Let's move on to question number 6. Question number 6, who has got the second highest salary? Okay, for this question, we are going to get the same query which we've done for question number 5, because question number 5 will give you the second highest salary from the employee table, and question number 6, we are just going to get the employee details of the one who has got the second highest salary. Let's write the outer query for question number 6. Select employee number, comma employee name, comma employee name, sorry, comma employee name from table employee, where salary should be equal to, okay, salary should be equal to this. Let's run the query. Go. Okay, so we've got the output here. Let's move on to question number 7. How to select range of employees record based on the employee number. And let's write the query for that. Select start from employee table. Start from employee table, where employee number between 1 and 3. This is pretty much a simple query which will fetch the range of records using the column name. Depends on the requirement. Like how many records we want, that many records we can fetch from the table employee. If the table has millions of records and you want to fetch the record based on the date, then we can use timestamp function in the same query to get the records on date basis. Let's run the query and see. Okay, so we fetch the record from employee number 1 and 3. That is it. I'm pretty much done for the session today. Let's meet some other time with some other technical discussion. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to follow me on my Facebook page.